What's up, guys? Today we are going to unbox the Azzaro the Most Wanted Parfum. This is one sexy cologne, so let's get to it. Guys, I can't believe I finally got this cologne. It has been on my list for so long, and now it's a part of my growing fragrance collection. Okay, so let's try to unbox this. I got this from the Hudson Bay store in Vancouver downtown. $135 on retail. God damn, look at that top. Usually buy all my colognes online like fragrancenet.com, but they were all out of stock. Damn, this bottle feels great. They designed the bottle perfectly. The top almost reminds me of a handgun cylinder. Okay, let's talk about cologne. This is a woody, spicy fragrance. Smell test. I did get some ginger notes and base notes of vanilla. The overall scent is powerful, gives off that sexy male fragrance. I would say this is ideal for colder weather. So there you go, guys, Azzaro, the Most Wanted Perfume. Very strong, intense, and sexy. Let me know on the comments below if you guys have this. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. See you again on my next video.